Hey everyone! Welcome to Winterpack's channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you our packing and storage of goods. To ensure that the goods are intact and undamaged during long-distance transportation and are delivered smoothly and safely to the customer.
Let me introduce our cartons used for finished products. First, we will use the inner 2 layers corrugated carton case for the first protection of goods, and then the outside strong 3 layers of the corrugated cartons. Once goods are all finished and not yet to be delivered, we'll arrange them into dry storage.
How can I extend the life of my jewelry packaging? That's a common question from our customers. Usually, jewelry boxes and displays life is 2 years. If keep them well in your storage, we'll even extend their longer life. Our suggestions are mainly 2 points. 1. Try to avoid strong light. For example, window PU displays will age and fade faster when exposed to strong light. 2. Need dry storage. The outer carton box should never be damp. If unfortunately the outer box is drenched in rainwater, we should promptly check whether the inner box is also followed by moisture. Such as the inner box is damp, we should promptly replace it to avoid mold inside the box. Finally, if you are preparing gift packaging for your Q4 season or Q1 season in 2023, just let me know. It's easier to work with us. Why? Because we are 7 by 24 hour service. All time zones friendly.